Imagine landing in Singapore and instead of just an airport, you're welcomed by a giant festive horse sculptures, lion dance performances, and the world's tallest indoor waterfall glowing at night. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel and Happy Chinese New Year! Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pwede yung ma-experience for free at Changi Airport this February 2026. So, if you're arriving in Singapore during Chinese New Year, this vlog is for you. First stop dito sa Terminal 3. If dito kayo mag-arrive, don't miss this beautiful fire horse sculpture sa departure hall. Year of the Horse this 2026 and super eye-catching ng display. Perfect siya for first day in Singapore photos. And yes, open siya to the public. So kahit wala kayong flight dito, pwede kayong pumunta. Now, we're here at Terminal 2 and meron din silang sariling Chinese New Year display dito. What I love about Changi is bawat terminal may sariling theme. So parang mini adventure agad kahit airport pa lang. And of course, we cannot miss the Jewel and the iconic Rain Vortex. This year's theme is the Gallop into Prosperity, celebrating the Year of the Horse. Makikita nyo dito ang mythical animatronic horses na super ganda for family photos and night shots. This display ran until March 3, 2026, so may time pa kayo to visit. And now, the highlight of the celebration, the Lion Dance and the Dragon Dance performances here at the Jewel Forest Valley. The Lion Dance and the Dragon Dance are the traditional Chinese performances that symbolize bringing of good luck, fortune, prosperity, and blessings to the community while driving away evil spirits. And here's something tourists will love. The Rain Vortex is open until midnight from February 1 to March 3. So, mas marami kayong time to enjoy, especially if late ang arrival nyo. The light and music show runs from 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. daily, plus 10 p.m. on weekends and public holidays. Perfect to end your first night in Singapore. So, if you're arriving in Singapore this February, make sure to explore the festive displays across Terminal 1, 2, and 3. And don't miss the performances here at Jewel. Changi Airport is not just an airport, it's already part of your Singapore adventure. So, if this video helped you to plan your trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more free things to do in Singapore. Happy Chinese New Year! Bye!